Doing some testing real quick. I'm thinking about putting a screen over there for the kids. Alright, I'm Kenneth Bird. My company is Black Series Edition LLC. Doing some demonstrations real quick, testing out the screen size. We're going to have these upstairs in the African American Museum. So we got Wi-Fi running downstairs, so that's why I'm working downstairs right now. But they have a section over here for kids. I definitely want to put in one of these screens for them. I think it'd be pretty cool. 4K snow screensavers. And this right here we're using is called our dedicated black CINEMAX. We're using our $300 Sony VPL projector. I think I'm gonna do one of these for the kids. Got the kids area over there. So that'd be nice to do a setup for kids. Alright, gotta go and God bless.